Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I am going to tell how to write a cover letter or email for the internship and project work. So as many people are asking, please tell me how to write, what to write in the email. So I decided to make this video. So you can see here is my email which I have sent to Shar. So see, first I have written my name, in which year I am studying, what is my interest, like from which month to which month I want to take internship. Then I have mentioned my previous experience, then I have mentioned my projects, and I have attached all the document mentioned in the website. So what you can do, what I suggest to you, just copy your resume, paste it to AI and tell to the AI to write a cover letter for you. Just mention that from which time to which time you want this internship and mention at which company you want. Just tell to the AI, it will write for you. And I want to share one thing with you, like today I went to HRDD, they told me now they are providing project work for only 2 months. They are not providing more than 2 months project work. So if your college will not allow for you 2 months project work, then don't apply. So thank you.